The virus is hitting some communities harder than others. New at 11, CBS 17's EMANI PAYNE is live in Durham, where experts say we're seeing a second wave of COVID-19 impacting the Hispanic community. EMANI.
The Hispanic community makes up 52% of COVID cases in Durham County alone. It's startling to many, but a new organization is hoping to help bring those numbers down. The group here brainstorming new ways to help the Hispanic community understand and combat COVID. Called Rapid Response Operators, they formed during the pandemic due to high demand for help, providing resources, education, food and safety supplies, and translations, among other services.
It's very gratifying to know that, you're helping someone.
While Hispanic people only make up 10% of the population in North Carolina, they account for 29% of COVID cases statewide. Out of more than 4,000 total deaths in the state, 9% of them are in the Hispanic community. But why is that?
They were not properly educated on COVID, and because a lot of them are, a lot of our community is undocumented, we don't have the privilege to not work. So we had to continue working, and because we continued working, we had more exposure to COVID.
YOLANDA and her entire family are essential workers. They battled COVID for a month this summer. She says COVID-19 is not a joke and should be taken very seriously, and says it's alarming to see large gatherings still happening as people are dying. She's glad groups like this one are around to help other families like hers. The group says they hope to expand and play an even bigger role in slowing the spread. The volunteers say they have helped dozens of local families and often work sunup to sundown. If you'd like to get involved, visit CBS17.com. For now, we're live in Durham. EMANI PAYNE, CBS 17 News.